I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by ensuring Windows 11 is updated and you have admin rights. Next, download a trusted live wallpaper application and extract it. This gives the app access to system files. Once done, locate a short MP4 or GIF under 50 MB so the software can load quickly. Make sure the file is ready in Downloads or Desktop. Then launch the installer and follow on-screen prompts. Accept permissions so the app can control desktop rendering. After installation, open the Wallpaper app and grant required permissions for overlay and startup. Import your chosen media by dragging files in or selecting Import, then add file to create a new wallpaper entry. Once imported, fine-tune playback options. Set loop on, mute audio if unwanted, and pick performance mode to limit CPU or GPU usage. You should also assign the wallpaper to specific monitors if you have multiple displays. These steps balance visuals and system performance. Apply the wallpaper and confirm it appears correctly on each monitor. Use the app's monitor selector if alignment is off. To keep the live wallpaper after reboot, enable the App Start with Windows option. If playback stutters or wallpaper disappears, make sure antivirus or system optimizers aren't blocking the app, and disable other overlays like game bars. If performance issues persist, lower resolution or frame rate in settings. Then restart the app and reapply the wallpaper to ensure stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.